Alexis, good morning, summa cum laude.
Graduation day, y'all, and my mom set up a honk and wave drive-by graduation parade, so stay tuned because the vlog is on the way.
Ian, go around twice, okay? Yes. Go. Tell him go, go.
It's for you, Mom. Hold on, let me get it together for you. Hold on.
Y'all go around. Thank you, my love. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
What's up, my man? Congratulations, man. Congratulations. Right now, right fucking now.
Go. Go, Marcy. Howdy.
Hello, how is everybody?
Good.
Family front and center.
Yes, I'm
Easy, look.
Yes.
We're doing a horrible job of social distancing. I know. I did horrible.
All right. That's baby.
Yeah, Yeah, get them on record.
What's up with this?
You want them?
Alexis, did you give them some stuff?
Yeah,
The car?
Marcy, I love you guys.
Love you.
We won't interrupt the flow of things.
Okay.
You know how we wayward.
Alexis, did you give Jamar?
Yes, I did.
Love y'all.
Bye, Maureen. All right, bye-bye. You said bye to
Get in here! Hey, Apple!
You can let go.
Maureen, bye. See you later. Alexis. Grandfather.
I went up to the car. Uncle George said, "Who is that, Curtis?" I said, "No, it's Jason."
Oh my God. Let me get you. Oh no, they're right. Okay. Congratulations. So y'all, I just finished my drive-by and all my friends are doing their drive-by. So the next drive-by graduation we're going to is Vernaya. Congrats to my friend, off to vet school. I'm a vlog myself as I go from her drive-by to my other friend Rashad. He's having his drive-by. But it's bittersweet, y'all. Who would have ever thought our graduation would have been, you know, spent like this? But I'm excited. I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of my friends. I'm proud of the class of 2020, y'all. We did it. We did it. Woo! Woo! Yes, sir! My best friend is graduating! Nay, we're so proud of you. We're so proud of you. Girl, on to the next phase. Vet school. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come on, girl. Honk the horn for your friend. How do I do it? Press it hard. Press it hard. Okay, we're gonna wind out your window too, okay? Look at her, look at her. Woo! Get her on record, okay? You got her? Keep it, hold it out. We're so proud of you! Love you! Woo! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Woo! 2020 graduates, we did it. We're done. On to the next phase of our lives. And I'm trying to hold it together. I've been crying all day. But Tuskegee owes us nothing, y'all. When I say Tuskegee owes us nothing, it owes us nothing. Like, we came, we saw, we conquered. Y'all, we out. We out. On to bigger and better. New friendships, new relationships to be formed. I'm really so proud of everyone for just graduating and pushing through. These 4 years haven't been easy. But, oh my gosh, I think my lash is falling off, y'all. But this is one of the best experiences I've had. One of the best experiences I've had. My experience at Tuskegee is unmatched. unmatched, and I will continue to say it. Oh, this is the next drive-by. My bestie since middle school. Rashad, I'm about to embarrass you again. Yes, sir. Oh my gosh, we love it. I just want to end this video by saying congratulations to all the 2020 graduates, both high school and college. I know this may not be an ideal ending to our senior year, but just know that God has a reason for everything and there's a purpose behind it all. I hope all of you are staying safe, staying inside. I'm keeping all of you in my prayers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!